What's his name?
Little turtle.
Okay. Forgot. Let's go, babe. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Are we ready? Oh, Santa's already playing. Good morning, Santa. Look at Santa right over there. Santa's going up and down. Merry Christmas!
Do you have?
Whoa! Let's check. What happened here?
He only had one slice of this.
He left one?
No, he left half of one.
He left half of one. How many did you put?
10.
10? Whoa, 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 whoa. Read this first.
Come read the note from Santa.
Did he drink the milk?
Yeah, he
Empty.
took all of it.
Can you read? It's in cursive. Try.
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. You have been mostly good to me this year. So I got you a present.
You can read cursive. Good.
Read it.
No. You were doing it. You were doing it. Read so Santa can be happy. Okay, go. So proud of you.
So, continue to be nice.
Always listen to Mom and Dad.
That's right.
Hope you
Daydream.
daydream and
Stare off.
stare off less and make
And work.
faster too.
So,
So, Mom hope
doesn't
doesn't
get.
upset about that anymore.
Good job.
I will watch you from the month
North.
Pole.
and will
I will visit.
Visit you.
next Christmas. Thanks for my cookies and milk. Love, Santa.
Let's check out the fireplace first. Let's check out the fireplace. Oh, hi, little turtle.
That means little turtle wants to open. That means little turtle wants to open my present.
Ooh. Okay, let's check the fireplace. Everybody get their stockings.
Everybody get your stocking.
Get your stockings. Santa knows what's in there. Daddy got his.
Got my stocking.
Okay, Nana, get yours. Mom will get hers. Wow, Santa knows you like pizza.
Pizza.
A pizza, Hot Wheels. A pizza van. Wow. Wow, Santa knows what you like.
I got some special
Look at Daddy.
coffee.
Daddy got
like
coffee. Santa knows Daddy likes coffee.
Ford Transit Connect.
Nice.
Wow.
That's a nice one.
It's a pizza van.
Open it.
Nana, look.
I'm gonna open it.
Ask Nana, do you like dark chocolates, Nana?
Dark chocolate.
How come Santa knows? Oh, she got Starbucks.
Starbucks!
I'm gonna open.
You're gonna open it. You like pizza? Santa knows you like pizza.
Yeah. Truffle.
Wow! What about Daddy? What did you get? Starbucks.
Candy for me,
And
'cause I love
coffee and candy
That's a
and
little Christmas
Reese's Christmas
tree.
tree.
Yay, thank you,
What about you? Wow, it's a pizza van. Santa knows you like pizza.
And he knows I like Hot Wheels too.
Yeah, so he knows everything, right? What about those chocolates?
How do you?
Hey, look.
How did he even find the Hot Wheels car?
I don't know. That's special. He's Santa. He makes everything. Look at this. Ah.
Wow.
He wanted to.
Whoa.
Wow. What's mommy's? Let me see what mommy has. Ooh. Whoa. Mommy has. Whoa. Coffee. Dark chocolates.
No, I think there's more.
There's more.
Yeah.
Oh, it's stuck. Coffee and more coffee. Santa knows I need coffee. Woohoo! And truffles and dark chocolates. Yee-hoo!
Yay!
Whoa!
Look at that very big one.
Oh my gosh.
Santa
What is this?
strong.
He is strong. Do you think the elves came? Oh, maybe that's from Logan. The pizza. Probably Logan made that for you.
He made it instead of finding it at Walmart. He made it.
Remember the elves make the toys? Okay. You think that's Santa's present? Ooh, that's a limited edition. What do you think? Okay, do you think Santa got something for you?
Pizza delivery 30 minutes.
Okay, where does Santa put the present? Under the Christmas tree, right? But I think it's too big to fit under the Christmas
Yeah,
tree.
because only the under is there, but
Okay, check it out. Ooh,
Huge present.
little turtle said she
really big. Check this out. Is this?
turtle said she wants to open my present.
Oh, okay. Oh, the bow fell. There's a bow.
Oh, no.
It's okay. Okay, read. Read first. Who is it from?
Benjamin, Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. Love Santa.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, that's from Santa.
Little turtle's opening it.
Yeah, little
Good
turtle.
job.
There.
Oh, exactly what I wanted.
What? What?
You don't think $100 anymore?
You don't need $100 anymore?
No. This is exactly what I wanted.
How does Santa know?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Open it close.
Little turtle, help. Oh, he's sticking his head in. Oh, is little turtle a boy or a girl?
Oh.
Oh, is little turtle a boy or a girl?
Santa got the right one.
Wow.
Excuse me.
Are you sure?
Wow.
So big, little turtle has to help you.
Yeah.
Is little turtle a boy or a girl?
It's I don't know. I don't. Whoa.
Whoa.
Ah,
Whoa.
little
Woohoo!
Is that the one you like?
Oh, we forgot to turn the Christmas lights on.
This is exactly what I wanted. I'm serious.
Serious? Thank you, Santa. We love you, Santa. Thank you. That means you have been?
Good water?
Were you on the nice list or the naughty list?
Nice.
Why? 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 Why are you on the nice list? Why do you think?
Turtles that I'm wrapping presents.
Is little turtle a girl or a boy?
I don't know.
I thought you said little turtle is a girl. Careful.
That set is huge.
Oh my gosh.
Goodness.
Lucky lesson is $100
Look, it's got it's for minis, these and taking place
Wow.
and Trapmaster and Wooden.
Oh my gosh. Do you have a Harvey already?
No.
Harold, I mean.
No.
No? You have this Thomas?
No, it's got sparks on the side. So see that?
Oh, I see. Different one. Okay. And then this is, you have
Take and play
Take and Play.
Percy and Mini James.
You have a lot of all of these, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that's why you wanted this?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
What do you want to
There's two that little mommy dog. and
Oh,
little
wow.
I don't think we could fit this in our house.
Oh my gosh, don't you think? Look at this big floor.
Well, it's super big. It goes like I don't know how big it is.
dog. Super big.
Okay.
It is.
Daddy, can you help me so I can can you flip it over so I can unravel the rest of it?
Little turtle fell. I think little turtle is a girl, you told me.
Flip it over.
Little turtle's gonna help.
Wow, is this what you want?
Yeah.
This
Thomas
is
and Fred's
awesome.
Superstation,
Okay.
race your engine.
Okay, Daddy. It's got Wooden Henry there.
Wow. Oh, it holds over.
100 engines.
Connects with other.
Sets.
Wow.
Change layout to fit any space.
Wow.
Wow.
I told you.
Wow.
Wow. One set for
Look at
all
these two
your
guys up
Thomas
on Cranky.
Cranky with little minis up there.
Look at your jammies.
Oh, hi, Harold. Hi, Harold. Oh, there's Harold right here, see? At the top.
Yeah, got with Harold Thomas.
Who's this? Oh, you don't have that one, do you?
So I got a mini James, Take and Play Percy, Trapmaster Thomas, and a wooden
Wow,
and
where's
a
this gonna
wooden
go?
Harold.
Wow. Okay, say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
We'll come back in a bit and enjoy this for now, okay? Merry Christmas, everyone. Say Merry Christmas to the kids.
Don't we know how to do the unboxing part?
Yeah, we will do another video for the unboxing part. Say Merry Christmas to the
Merry
kids.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you and your families.
Bye.
Bye.